Hello students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah is also here. Dear students, today we are going to continue the chapter Triangles of Class 10 CBSE board or SSLC board. Okay, children, I want you have to open your textbooks quick. Open your textbooks. You can see exercise 2.1. If they are CBSE board students, you can open your chapter triangles. In that your first exercise, please open it first. You can see in your textbook first main, that is first exercise, first main. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. Can you see the question, children? Yeah. Here the first question is, all circles are dash. They are congruent or similar. He has given the options. He is asking you to write whether all the circles are congruent or similar. Please, you have to focus on these two words first before you answer anything. Okay. Congruent means what? Size remains same. अब example, अब एक circle आप draw कर रहे हैं 2 centimeter. Do you think that all circles should be only 2 centimeter? It cannot become 3. It cannot become 4. It can become, right? That means they are similar. Understood? One circle may be bigger and one circle may be smaller. Right? So all the circles are similar. Next question. What about squares? All squares are similar or congruent? All squares. Example, I have one square, I have one more square. This is 8 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Is it not possible? Or this is 4 means this also only should be 4 only, it cannot become 8. It can become, right? It means they are similar. Are you getting, children? Is this clear? So all these squares are similar. Means the size, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. All these squares are also similar. Next question. All dash triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar, isosceles. All equilateral triangles are similar. Can you see this example? Let me say this, both triangles are equiangular. This is 60, 60, 60. Similarly 60, 60, 60. Can you see this? All the corresponding angles are equal or not? Yes, all the corresponding angles are equal. This is 6, this is 3 centimeter. Right? This is 3, this is 1.5 centimeter. And this is 2 and this is 1 centimeter. Is it possible or not? Yes, all the equilateral triangles are similar. Got it? Understood? Good. Next question. Option 4. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. I am telling two polygon. Polygon means what? Any geometrical figure which has more than 2 sides is called as polygon. कोई भी figure लो, उसके अंदर 2 साइड से ज्यादा होना है. And it should be closed figure. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Polygon. It should be closed figure. Yes, children, the next question is, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. If the corresponding angles are, when can we say two polygons are similar? The corresponding angle should be equal or unequal? They should be equal. Are you getting, children? The first blank is equal. The corresponding angles are equal. And what about corresponding sides? They are proportional. Any doubts? Is this clear? If you want to call any two polygons of the same number of sides are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Next, second main, that is second question. Give two different examples of pair of similar figures. Can you give an example for similar figure, children? Similar figure. Yeah, similar figure. Example. He is asking example for similar figure. Here the question is example for similar figure. What is the example for similar figure? First is pair of equilateral triangles. Yes or no? Pair of equilateral triangles. Pair of equilateral triangles. They are similar figures. Yes or no? Next, one more option. Pair of squares. Pair of squares are also similar figures. Just in fill in the blank itself we have seen, right? Yeah. Next option is what? Non-similar figure. Non-similar figures. Can you give the example for non-similar figures? Yeah. Non-similar figure. You take one triangle, one quadrilateral. Both are similar figure? No. Triangle or quadrilateral, though be same. Triangle is 3 sides, quadrilateral is 4 sides. That is the example for non-similar figure. What it? Non-similar figure is a triangle and quadrilateral form a non-similar figure. Next option for non-similar figure, स्क्वायर एंड रॉम्बस. ऐसा एग्जांपल लेना बेटा, दिखने में जरा सेम दिखना लेकिन बहुत डिफरेंट रहना होना. ऐसा स्क्वायर एंड रॉम्बस. ये स्क्वायर एंड rhombus. Square and rhombus, they form non-similar figure. Any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Next, come back to third question. Third question. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Can you see this? They have given two different quadrilaterals. बेटा देखते ही हमें पहचान ले सकते हैं बेटा क्या है बोलकर. Just by seeing itself we can tell. See, what about this angle? 90 degree, right? Do you think that in this figure, this is figure 1, this is figure 2. In figure 1 also angle is 90 degree? No, it is not 90 degree. Correct? No. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 3, 3, 3, 3. Here corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion, but corresponding angles are unequal. They are not equal. So what is the answer here for this question? What is the answer you can say? Therefore the two quadrilaterals in the figure are not similar. Because their corresponding angles are not equal. Any doubts? Understood, children? Understood? Yes, very good. You can get a questions like this. Hope you all have understood, right? Good. Okay, done. One important note, children, please copy down this note. Children, copy down this important note. Conditions for similarity of triangle. Two triangles are similar. When can you say two triangles are similar? If their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. All congruent triangles are similar. Remember, all congruent triangles are similar, but similar triangles need not be congruent. All congruent triangles are similar. They also look similar only. Understood? But all similar triangles need not be congruent. Next, the polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Is this clear? So this is the important note you need to remember. You can sometimes call congruent triangle as similar triangle, but all similar triangles are not congruent. That is the important note which you need to remember. I hope you all have understood this session, right? We have done with the first exercise numericals in this session. In the next session, in the next video, we are going to discuss the next very important concept of this chapter, that is basic proportionality theorem. Do not miss the next session. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. If you are going to subscribe our YouTube channel, you will be getting the latest updates, and do not forget to click the bell icon, right? Fine. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching, copy the notes and do not forget to practice, right? Thank you.